Greetings everybody, Lyle at C&S Corvettes here in Sarasota, Florida again. Unfortunately today I don't have any cool Corvette things to talk to you about. I have a warning for you. It has come to my attention that there is somebody online on Instagram pretending to be C&S Corvettes or pretending to be Corvette Parts Center. This person has absolutely nothing to do with us. We have one location in Sarasota, Florida, and if it has nothing to do with Lyle or Steve, then it isn't real, okay? I've had a couple of customers call me this week, letting me know that this person was trying to sell Corvette parts on Instagram, and he was asking for them to send him money up front, like $1,500 up front. Do not send this person money. He is not us. He has nothing to do with us. I've already sent a cease and desist letter to the guy. I've gotten no response so far. But his name is Henry Rodriguez. He lives at 5009 Carmen Boulevard in North Las Vegas. We have no connection to him whatsoever. Other than that, we'd really like to have a word, if you know what I mean. So, please, 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 if anybody says they are C&S Corvettes or Corvette Parts Center and it isn't Lyle and or Steve in Sarasota, Florida, then it is a scam and it is not us. Please protect yourself from this person and share this information with anybody else you may know in the Corvette community, because we've worked really hard to build a great name over the last 48 years in this business. And when people like this come in and try to sully that name, it makes me very angry, and I would love to reach out and have a conversation with this person. But the best thing I can do for you guys is to make you aware of it so that you can protect yourselves and share the information with other people. I have reported him on Instagram multiple times this week. Instagram has no interest in pursuing this whatsoever. So I've had to turn to legal means to go after him. But please, please protect yourself. We will always answer the phone here. If you ever have a question, if somebody is actually us, email us at lyle@corvettepartscenter.com, or if somebody's trying to sell you something and it's not sure it's us, you can call us, not for questions, not for general conversation or stories, but if you feel you're in danger of being defrauded, call us at 800-886-5064 and talk to us to confirm that it is in fact us you're dealing with. Very sorry to have to bring this to you guys, but I want you all to remain safe and I want you all to keep your money, unless of course you're spending it with me. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Easter, happy Passover. Take care.